Hey, it's Ben from Island Hunting and Outdoors. Today we're going to be leaving from Browns Bay and heading up to Loughborough Inlet to pick up a logging crew out of camp. This is Loughborough Inlet right here. It's pretty nice. Nobody for miles. We got some good video footage on the way out. I don't know about the way back, so I don't really want to film with a bunch of people on the boat. But yeah, beauty trip so far. It's about 2 hours up from Campbell, from Browns Bay. Couldn't have picked a better day. It's so calm out. Anyways, stay tuned. A bit of a different video today. We're going to be dropping off some crew at a logging camp up Loughborough Inlet. I'm just dropping off some chain oil to go out to Toba Inlet, I think. And yeah, I'll try to get some footage on the boat, but it's going to be full of crew that probably doesn't want to be on film, obviously. So yeah, we'll see if I can get a chance. Otherwise, when we're at the camp, we're going to walk around a bit anyway. So should be some good views, maybe even see a grizzly if we get lucky. All right, just at Browns Bay. We're not bringing any followers in now, so I'll get to get a bunch of footage on the way there. And we're heading to Loughborough Inlet. Straight, going into Blind Channel. We're just getting close to the camp, and they must have a feller buncher working the hillsides. There's trees going over up top. Different crew, but you won't be able to see it probably, but yeah. We're almost there. Glaciers up there, and they're all melted now. This is left bare rock. There's quite a few up the other inlet, but we weren't going that way today. But look at the scenery here. This is Loughborough Inlet. A couple of fish jumping up to the boat. We're almost at the camp. That's our last turn there. See the odd cabin out here. It'd be pretty cool to have a boat in a cabin. There's definitely no roads out here. Just in the camp now. Figure we should take this thing for a rip. So I'm about to do something I'm absolutely terrified of, but the pilot's going to take me for a rip in the helicopter, so that's pretty rad. I'll be right back with that. It never ended up filming an outro after the helicopter ride. We pretty much got back, loaded up the boat with a bunch of saws and stuff, and then brought a few people back to Browns Bay. And then, yeah, right after that happened, a day or two later, big forest fire started behind my house. So, yeah, I haven't really had a chance to edit this or anything. We were evacuated for 2 weeks. Just got back the other day, yesterday. And now there's a 2,100 hectare forest fire in Port burning, so as you can see the air quality is pretty terrible. Might be hard to see from this, but it's not cloudy out. That's just a layer of smoke. The whole yard just reeks like a campfire. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video, and then I'm not sure when my next one will be, but pretty much where I did my cell tower camp, that's all burnt now. I'm not sure if my fort's still there, but once we get a bunch of rain, hopefully, yeah, I don't know, in the next month, everything will be chilled out, and then I can head back up to that fort and check it out. It's gonna look way different up there. Like you can tell from down below, it's all scorched. Yeah, I think they have over 200 wildfire guys up there looking for hot spots and whatnot. So yeah, pretty lame, but they're working hard to get it out. So till next time, yeah, I'll do some video updates up there and show you what happened. But that's for another video. Anyways, if you like that one, like and subscribe, and see you at the next one.